Here's a video demonstration on how to remove your mechanical keyboard keys properly. You'll be needing a keyboard key cap puller, which you can easily order through online shop for less than $2. For the long keys like Shift, Enter, Space, and Backspace, you have to use a little bit of force from both ends and then the center. And also a gentle force when putting back your keys or the replacements. Watch how I do it without rushing. Sometimes, plastic pullers tend to break easily depending on the quality. I suggest getting both metal and plastic for backups. And remember to pull your long keys from left to right, or vice versa, carefully before working the center part. It requires a little effort, but it is better than breaking your own things. I hope you learned something from this video. Or maybe you are looking for something. Comment down below, subscribe,